How to build multiple income streams with AI. What if one day, your only source of income suddenly stops? What if everything you depend on disappears without warning? And what if the future is already moving in that direction, faster than you think? We are now living in a time where one income is no longer safe. AI is changing how money is made, how work is done, and how value is created. And the people who understand this shift are no longer depending on a single source. They are building multiple income streams, quietly, strategically, and consistently. The real question is, are you one of them? Now let's understand the core problem. Most people today still depend on one job, one salary, one source of income. And as long as that income continues, everything feels stable, predictable, manageable. But the moment it stops, everything becomes difficult, stressful, and uncertain. And in the age of AI, this risk is not decreasing. It is increasing every single day. Global trends are already showing a clear shift. Income diversification is no longer a luxury. It is becoming a necessity. More and more professionals are building additional income streams through freelancing, digital products, content creation, and smart investments. And those who have multiple sources of income are becoming more stable, more flexible, and more secure. So now the real goal becomes clear, not just to earn money, but to build a system where money can come from different directions. And this is where AI becomes powerful, not as a shortcut, but as a multiplier. Now let's move into the solution. 5 powerful ways to build multiple income streams using AI. The first path is freelancing with AI. You can offer services like content writing, design, marketing, and many others. But instead of doing everything manually, you use AI tools to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. This allows you to take more clients, deliver better results, and increase your income over time. The second path is digital products. Create once and sell many times. This includes online courses, ebooks, templates, and simple digital assets. AI helps you create these products faster, with less effort, and better quality. And once created, they can generate income again and again. The third path is AI content channels, platforms like YouTube, blogs, and social media, where you create content using AI support, from idea generation, to writing, to editing, and over time, as your audience grows, this turns into a consistent income stream. The fourth path is building simple AI tools or small apps. You do not need to be a professional developer. With modern AI tools, you can create simple and useful solutions, and people are always willing to pay for tools that solve real problems. The fifth path is investing in AI growth, putting your money into industries that are growing with AI, technology, automation, data, because as AI expands, these sectors grow, and your investments grow with them. Now, imagine this simple example. 2 people start with the same salary, the same situation, the same opportunities. One depends only on that single income. The other starts small, builds side income using AI, step by step. After 2 years, the difference becomes clear. One is still in the same place, and the other has built multiple income streams, more income, more freedom, and more security. The difference was never luck. It was strategy. So what does this mean for you right now? It means you should not depend on one income. It means you should start building multiple streams, even if they are small. It means you grow step by step, consistently, patiently, and strategically, because AI is not just a tool, it is an opportunity. This is FutureCapital. Learn, adapt, win.